All right. Thank you for coming and watching another video by the Free College. Today we're looking at some international edits that were done. And we're looking at the different international markets related to technology and agriculture. So here we go. The first thing I want to show you is back when I was a soldier in 2004, I went to USEN.com, and I saw, this is actually from archive.org, and you can go to type in USEN.com. And if you go to the February 2nd, 2004 saved site on this website, you can zoom in and see that in 2004, the business class internet that was being offered in Japan was around 100 megabit and 1 gigabit. Now, in Casper, Wyoming, currently, I have 200 megabit internet. That's double that. But it's also the year 2022, which is 18 years after they had 100 megabit. At the time, I remember seeing this and saying, wow, that's what we have in United States data centers is 100 megabit internet. And that you would have to pay several $100s a month to have access to a data center, to a hard drive in a data center, and you would pay for that separate from your internet connection. That was a total separate deal. And I was like, wow, that's not right. If I had 100 megabit at home, maybe I could host like something cool on my internet. I don't know. Anyway, I just know we were way behind back then. So I decided to, as a Wikipedian 10 years later, I decided to make other people feel the same way I did. And that it's kind of funny, but in March of 2013, you can see T. Willis Jr., that's me. I started making some edits to the Thailand page, and some of those edits were related to technology and internet service speed and stuff like that. So I'll type in KIRZ. That's the ISP that I was writing about. We're trying to look for that here. KIRZ. So I basically said that KIRZ has 10 gigabit high-speed fiber optic internet at home. That was in year 2013. Now that's way ahead of time there. And the funny thing is that false information actually stuck from 2013 all the way here until 2019. Because if you see revision as of 13/58, 28 May 2019, you can go to KIRZ and see that it's still there. So for 6 years, I had people that if you went to the Thailand page and you were interested in the internet speed of Thailand, I had information on that page telling you that they had 10 gigabit internet. That's not true. That's really not true. But it was later determined that they actually do have, if you do go onto the internet in Thailand page, you can actually go to Control F and type in KIRZ, and you'll see that they actually do have 10 gigabit, but it's definitely not internet speed in Thailand. That's not being offered. But one interesting fact that I did, that was false information. It was taken down because it wasn't cited or anything. But on the North Korea page, if you want to go on there, you can go to find on page and you can look up 3G, type in 3G, and you can thank me for the 3G information that's on the North Korea page because I added it. That information is accurate. North Korea does have 3G. And on the Ivory Coast page, back around 2009 and 2013, not around 2009, but around 2013, I edited the page, the Ivory Coast page, explaining that they were in the billions of dollars in exports of cocoa, for just to give a figure of how much money is actually going into agriculture. That's old information now, but that was just a huge number to really a poor nation, and I wanted them to be able to produce based on that. And so I don't know if what kinds of spills have been happening or have occurred since I put KIRZ in there with the false internet speed for 6 years. I'm sure a lot of people who've done a lot of reports have been just blown away trying to figure out what's going on over there. Hopefully that encouraged a lot of countries and a lot of investors everywhere to throw their money behind getting into the race. But Hurricane Electric is actually the company that you want to be doing business with. If you're in a position of power and you're trying to, get a really super fast backbone up and everything, Hurricane Electric in the United States and California, that's who you're looking at, he.net. They're the ones with the thousands of dollars to spend a month for internet. You want something beast? Those are the ones you want. That's real information. And I'm actually having trouble putting that on Wiki right now, and it's real. But yeah, you should see some of the speeds that they have. Once we start having those speeds in our households, then I guess we can all just calm down and leave Asia alone. But anyway, I thought this would be an interesting video, and I hope that to edit with real and any kinds of information anywhere that you want to make improvements on international pages. This is something I encourage you to do. And if your information is false, it will get detected a lot quicker. This was just a rare case with KIRZ that my information stuck for 6 years. All right, well, thanks for watching and have a nice day. Please comment, subscribe, and like the video. Thank you.